Good morning to all. In today's class, we are going to learn about DML commands. This is the topic of computer science subject in class 12. The main teaching learning objective is to manage our databases. Now let us start. What is DML commands or data manipulation language commands? It is used to manage the records of tables. What is the meaning of managing? Managing means insertion of record, deletion of record, and updation of record. Now, we can see there are four commands in DML category. First one, insert command. Second, delete command. Third, update command. Last one, select command. Insert command is used to insertion of records in a table. Delete command is used to deletion of records in a table. Update command is used to changing the records of in a table, and select command is used to view the records of table. Now we can see here the first command, the insert command. How can we use this command, and what is the use of this command? Here we can see what is the syntax of this command. It is used to insert the records in a table. What is the syntax of this command? Just write insert into, then name of table, what you have already created, then write values, and in bracket we have to write all the values in that order in which it has been already created. Okay. There are two methods for insertion of records. In first method, we insert the values in same order in which it has been created, and in second method we can change the uh, order of values. Here you can see in first example there are four values: first, second, third, and fourth. But in second method only there are three values: first, second, and third. But in this second method we have to mention the name of columns, number of columns which you have mentioned, the values should be entered. Now we can see how can we start MySQL, and how can we run this command in MySQL software. As we know that MySQL software is used to manage our databases. We have already created some databases here. If you want to create another database, you can use create database command, or if you want to open any exist database, then simply use command and just write the database name. Here the KVJMP, the name of database. And if we want to check any table in database, just write command show tables. Here the one table is exists in this database. The name of table is student. Now we can view the records of this student table. Just write the command select asterisk means all columns of this table from name of table. The name of table is student. Now we can see here there are four columns in a table: roll, name, address, marks, and one record in this table. One, the value of roll number, the name of the value of name is Amit, and the value of address is Jamalpur, and the value of marks is 90. Now how can we insert the record? Just write this command, and you can see we can insert the record in this table. Insert into name of table. Here the name of table is student. Then we should write values and all the values. Suppose the value of roll is 2, the value of name is Sumit, the value of address is Munger, and the value of marks is 56. Then we use semicolon to terminate this command and check it. It means it is correct. Now we can check the records after writing select asterisk from table, name of table. Here you can see there are another record uh, we can insert. We have we insert here, and the another method in which we use the name of columns. Just you can write insert into and use the name of column. Here we can change the order of column. In above example, the first column is roll, but we can make name as first column, then use marks, then use name or roll. First column name, second roll, then address we can specify here. According to these columns, we should insert the values. Suppose the value for name is Niti, then roll number 3 and address maybe Munger. Only 3 columns we apply here, and the values for these columns we can specify here. Now press enter and check the records. Here we can see we apply only 3 columns and the values for 3 columns. Then there are only 3 data here inserted, and the value for marks is null. Null means nothing. It means the value for marks for third row is empty. We can insert here record later. It is the example of insert command. Now we can see another DML command, delete command. It is used to deleting the records of a table. Just write simply delete from then table name, and this command it helps to deleting all records. And if we want to delete specific records, then we have to apply where clause. Here we can see the example, delete from student where roll equal to 1. It means the row or the record of roll number 1 will be removed. Just you can see here the example, delete from student where roll equal to 1. It means whose roll number 1, then the SQL delete the whole row or whole record for roll number 1. Check the record for, by using select command, and here you can see the row, first row, or the value of roll number 1 will has been deleted. Now we can see the third command, update command. It is used to change the records of a table or update the records of a table. It is also used to fill the null values. Okay, how can we use it? Just write update name of table, then set what you want to set. Here you can apply the name of column and the values, and for which student, है ना. Here you can apply uh, matching record. It means name, roll number. Okay, now let us see how can we apply this command. Just write update name of table. Then if you want to update the marks of Sumit, here the marks of Sumit is 56 and we want to change it 90 for 56, then we should write update student set marks equal to 90. Sorry. Insert, sorry, update student set marks equal to 90, where roll equal to 2, or we can also use the other column like name equal to Sumit or address equal to Munger. Now check the record. Just write select command, and here you can see the value of marks has been changed from 56 to 90. Right? Now another use of update command to fill the null values. Just write update student set marks equal to something which you want, where roll equal to 3. Check the record. Here the value 80 replace the value null. It means there are two use of select command. First one to change the record and another to fill the null values. Last select command, already we have used select command. It is used to display the records of table. If you want to display the record of table, just write select asterisk. Asterisk means all columns from table name, and it will show records of table. If we write select name from table name, then it will show the name column only. Means if we write name of columns after select command, it may be multiple or single column, it will display the name of column. Like another example, here we apply the two columns for table student, and it will show the two columns of a table. Now we conclude this topic. There are 4 commands in DML categories of SQL. First one, insert. It is used to inserting the records of a table. Second one, delete, to delete the records of a table. Third one, update, to change the records of table. Also it will use to fill null records of a table. And last one, select command, to view the records of a table. Some questions for assignment for students. Okay, I think it will help to manage our database, and it is fruitful for all students of 12th. Okay, thank you very much.